In my opinion, this was a very promising week for mortgage rates. Not that we had some massive rally, but we did have some great indications that rates are continuing to move in the right direction. Now, this was CPI week, right? Consumer Price Index, the market's favorite inflation metric, unfortunately did not show the reduction across inflation I think the markets were really looking for. Did have an immediate negative reaction upon its release. However, we did see a late day rally, brought rates back into the green. Now, most likely that was due to some of the geopolitical implications, what's happening over the Middle East. There were some Fed speakers. It was a late day 30-year bond auction. So I think these things combined just allowed rates to rally to close out Thursday. Now, Friday's PPI, Producer Price Index, really gave us the meat of the week's improvements. Now, Producer Price Index is a measure of wholesale inflation. Historically, not a major report, but this one was definitely promising. It was unchanged from the previous month, although it was 0.2 lower than forecast. But more importantly, wholesale inflation came in, showing that it had finally gotten down to the Fed's long-term target. Very, very promising. Allowed rates to rally through Friday's close. So definitely very, very promising for mortgage rates. Now, this week will bring us retail sales. This is a measure of consumer spending and demand, definitely something that the Fed has been trying to curb. But more importantly is going to be Fed Speaker Waller's speech at the Brookings Institute on Tuesday. He's expected to announce, or there's rumors he's going to announce, a potential loosening of the Fed's restrictive policy when it comes to the reduction of their balance sheet. Now, aside from all the rate hikes they've implemented, the reduction of the Fed's balance sheet has had very negative ramifications across mortgage rates. And any indications he might give the Fed's going to be loosening this policy is going to be received very favorably across the bond market and for rates. So it could be huge for us next week. You have any questions at all about these headlines, about what it means for you and your purchase power? Definitely give me a call anytime. We'd love to talk to you. Have a great week.